this is the price, $5.98 for I know this is at Lucky, so see that? And then they have the mussy. I came to pick this up. And and here's the coco salmon. They don't have like the ones that are, but this is the cocoa beans. And then the twisties are that price. This is Lucky. When I go to Walmart, I'll see if they have it. And then they have the 3 pound. They have some, which probably won't last because Christmas is coming soon.
Like yeah, it's gonna be on aisle 8, which is across the room.
Okay, thank you.
This is, I didn't know they had these. Look, a lot of the polys are interested in. Oh, here's the price right here. And there's the price for that one. No, it can't be that price. Oh, yeah. That's that one. And then we have the coconut milk. They have this. Sorry. Can I get these?
Yeah, sorry.
It's okay. I just need Edison. Here, hold these. We need 4. And put it in our cart. These are $1.58, which they dropped the price of. This is my favorite kind of milk. And then they have and there's a aloha sauce. There's a crate between me, so I don't know if you can see it. Sorry. Here, let's see. For this one is that price right here. These are all the polyfills. And then for the curry, we use this at our house. We have this one and the Indian one. And then for the aloha sauce is that. That's the price for that many ounces. I think that's it for poly food. Yeah. Sorry, there we go. And then they do have this, I don't know if I showed you this price for that. The corned beef. This is the price. So, and then they have these chips. I don't know if they're so far back though. And I hate touching stuff that I know I'm not gonna buy. It's the sweet plantation. Oh, I guess they're. Man, my eyes are bad. Are they banana chips? Way back there. That's what happens to short people like me. But that's the price. Oh, it is. I forgot what's it called. That's kind of different kind of bananas. And this is for those ones. And then they have that price for those snacks. And then
so you got the cart.
Can you get 4 of these? And for bongos. Oh, so sorry, I'm crying for the window. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here we go. Something's wrong with this cart. Look at this way. Can you fit? Oh no. I'm so sorry. The cart doesn't even. That's the wrong cart. But yeah. So they have those, and then they have these. Okay, so this is that ounces. Pounds. to that price, $19.98. Let me see what else. Then we go to, because over here they have a lot of like mamoe, and which is lamb chops, for those that don't know what mamoe is. My family just gave me the, so they have, I don't eat a lot of mamoe, but I do eat tilapia or cod fillet. Hold on. So, oh wow. See, this is, what was the price for that? Oh, that's like tuna. I have to pull this thing. And then for whole tilapia, see, this is whole tilapia right here. And for that, these are already clean. And I like tilapia sometimes. And then they have these shrimps for that, for all that like seafood. I love seafood. It's but it can get pricey. Now, let me see what else they have on here. And they have these in the freezer. See, that's the price. I think this is 2 pounds right here. I can't see the, yeah, 32 ounces, 2 pounds and something ounces. But that's the price right there. And then these, oh my gosh, I just remember I have to do for this recipe. Dang it, I'm gonna have to run down to Costco. Promised myself I was gonna do it before for the oven one. And then they have these. These are squid chunks, if you can't read the sign. They're pretty good. My mom always buys these because I love filet. Weird, but I do. And then they have the tilapia fillet. I had shared, if you don't know how to fry this, the best way to fry these is butter, garlic, and then you can add pepper onto the fish. But I soak it with a little lemon before I fry it. It's really, really good. I better, somebody takes off with my cart. But, and I don't know about, okay. And we're going to go to where you weigh this stuff. Because I, you know, if you're like me, I love seafood. Because I grew up, you know, I grew up in Samoa, and that is the thing. And I love fete. Fete is my favorite. I'm sorry, I'm not able to Google it if you were in Utah. There's a few, yeah. So this is what they have. I know the adults love this fish, and I do too. If you make it the right way, I don't taste the fish. This is, it's for a pound now. For those fish. I don't know if you can see it. What are these called? That pompano whole previously frozen, or but and then they have tilapia right next to it. And then they don't have a price for the octopus. Octopus is usually very expensive. And then they have cat fillet for that, and then $2.98. This is where I come and get a lot of. They don't have it at Costco. I come over here because their prices are decent. I think I still have someone. I need 4 or 6. Get 6. I have to hide them. And then okay, I've never eaten this, but with the head, it's salmon, huh? Yeah. Oh, I'm just sorry. I'm just doing this. I'm just okay. So for the shrimp, which I love shrimp, it's $5.98 a pound, right here. For the for between 18 and 20 count for that pound. And it's these are farmed though. And then for the lobster is that price $198. And then for this shrimp, this is the size I buy, this size right here. And I usually just get like a pound because I can't eat a lot. And then I share it with whoever comes over my house. And then that's the, we're looking at this crab right here. Looks good, but I'm sure this is probably around 30 bucks. So yeah, I'm like $9.29. I've never really bought it. My brother always buy it for my mom and dad, and when they live here, so they live with us. And there's the shrimp right here, and then the imitation crab, and then they do sell poke here. See this right there? See that? But my sister said there was a way to fix the poke, which is in Samoa. So this is some of the stuff I showed you that is in the freezer. And my mom would, there was a way my mom made this. I didn't learn how she makes it, and I like to eat it. But this is for the poke. This is the poke price right here. It's all right. It's not the best, but my sister, she always remix it, and I like the way she does it. I'm sorry, I just have a different taste bud. And I think that's it. That's all the poly food, kind of food we have here. So it is a big selection, but hey, thought I give you that. When I go to Walmart and Costco, if they have Palm, is that Palm? Palmer? Palm. That piece of wool, I will. Palm? I can't remember. Palm. I will let you know what the price is. Thanks for watching, you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know what the prices are here. It's very decent compared to the prices that other people tell me. And there's my family. Sorry, I had to look at the right here. There's Edison, the famous Edison. Love you guys. Bye.